In today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2015 Honda Odyssey. With all the trims, I think the front bumper opens the same way, and you can also use the same process to open any bumper. The very first step would be to take out the clips underneath the bumper, then on both right and left corners, and finally we will open from the top side. Make sure to watch the complete video so that you know what is the complete process. Process is the same, it's just the clips and bolts might be a little different. So let's jump into it. List of tools needed for this takeout: door upholstery remover, which we will use to take out clips; Dewalt impact driver with 10mm nutsetter. If you don't have Dewalt gun, don't worry about it, you can use the round head ratchet. These are the tools you need to be loaded with before taking down the bumper. You see there is an accident on the other side, and that's what has caused us to change the bumper. Lift up the car a little bit so that you can go underneath the car and take out the clips. Now the stuff that we will be opening from underneath the car would be this bolt, clip, and then again there's a bolt here. There's a series of bolt, then clip, and then bolt, so I have to go open all the way. So this bumper is actually attached with engine cover and then the fender liner. So the fender liner and the engine cover part needs to be taken out by taking out these bolts and clips. While I was taking out this bolt, not too sure why it broke from inside. Even though it looks like it's holding something, which it's not, it's just there for no use. So we can just move on with the rest of our opening process. And the same thing happened with this bolt as well. Since they're really old and rusty, they're just breaking the cover on the back. We are not able to open it. Yeah, I might have to go through the same with the rest. Now for some reason this clip is already holding there, so you can just take it out. So far whatever bolts I've opened, they ended up breaking from the back side. This bolt itself just broke because it was rusted. Underneath part is done. Now we jump on to the sides. We just had to turn the tires so that it's easy for us to take out these screws. So this is that other side. The top screw has already came out because of the accident, so we just need to open the bottom one. Screws from both sides are also taken. Now we take out the clips on top of the bumper. For some reason it was missing the clip on this hole. This bumper is also attached with a vent which is going all the way to the other part. Not every car has this section, but it's not difficult to open. It also has some clips. I already opened one and this is the other one. So there we take out the clip. That's how it looks like. So the last two bolts that were underneath the cover, the engine cover, is this and this. They both were hidden for some reason. Just needed some push. Since this bumper was smashed, the accident portion is stuck with the rebar. In the next footage, you will see me taking out the plastic portion that is stuck. So what happened is, while taking out the bumper, I accidentally smashed the tripod and the camera fall. But I must put the disclaimer as no tripod or camera were harmed during the making of this vlog. Okay, so this turned out to be a little difficult one than the other ones we have done. It was mainly because it had an accident at the front and we had a little tough time pushing it at the end. But all done, we have taken it out. One more bumper knocked out. The pieces that were broken are, not too sure if I can show it to you. These are the clips underneath. They were turning with the bolt because they are all pretty much rusted. You see? Yeah, they're damn rusted. It does require some effort, but that's how you take out the 2015 Odyssey front bumper. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.